Well,
hi
hello
there. So, this is us making an announcement that we've started a collab channel.
What's up?
My name is Courtney Savage.
My name
Hey.
is Lexi Harrison. Basically, how it's gonna go.
For the first 2 weeks while I still have EMT, it's gonna be one video a week.
She's a busy gal.
Yeah, and then if that goes well, then we might increase it to 2.
So the dealio. One video a week from
Nope.
each of us. Basically, update, right, on our lives, and there's a theme that's gonna go with each week.
Mm-hmm.
And we can do challenges for each other and stuff. It's just gonna be a good way to stay in touch, basically.
Yeah.
And then we're also going to have at least one collab video each week with the two of us doing something really cool.
Hey. You'll have to see. So, prepare yourselves for this epic venture through the YouTube
On your
and
computer screen.
on your computers. Those things that you are looking at this moment in time.
So that's what we're doing. That's the dealio.
That's why we're here. That's what we offer.
Don't forget to be awesome.
Yes.